Hi baby, we're here na at the Mangrove Bay. See? Oh, it's a bar. Actually, it's a bar. You can see that. And this is a hotel. Yan. Yan. Overlooking with the sea. And that, the Soques Rock. Ang Soques Rock, baby, yan yung yung pinaka-distinctive na palatandaan na nasa Pohnpei ka. Oh, here. I'm walking. Here's Kiefer. Kiefer, say hi. Say hi. Say hi kay video. Come on. Alright. Ito baby. These are the yacht. Nandito kasi yung dito naka-base yung Pohnpei Surf Club.
Where's a mermaid?
There's no mermaid there. See, there's a yacht, oh. Nice.
Where's a mermaid?
I don't know kung... Pero... Yan, that. Hindi tayo makakasakay dyan, baby.
Where's the mermaid?
That's it. There's a bar. Minsan, once in a while, nagtatambay kami dito. Daming tao dito. Daming foreigners tuwing weekdays. Weekends. Oh, see? See that sunken boat, baby? Ayun lang. Later again. Pag meron pa kami pupuntahan, ha? Ciao.